Hello everyone, my name is Amory Bodelson and I am your speech instructor for this summer online speech session at Western Technical College. I wanted to introduce myself briefly, give you a face and a voice and a name to put together, and just talk a little bit about what you'll be doing on Blackboard this week. So I am a communication skills instructor at Western. I've been here since 2009 and I teach speech, I teach writing, I teach literature. And prior to teaching at Western, I was a grant writer at UWL, and prior to that, I was a technical writer for a couple different companies in the Midwest. So I have a background in primarily writing, but some presentation experience involved in both of those careers that I did. And I am fortunate to say that I love my job. I enjoy teaching speech maybe the most, if I were to say it and be honest. It is one of the classes that rewards the instructor and the students because you get to see the most immediate feedback as far as student progression. I see students gain confidence in their speaking skills and their comfort level in front of each other and their writing skills and their body language skills. So those are all important things that will serve you well in whatever position or job that you hold. I have 2 cats and 1 husband, and I have lived in La Crosse since 2006. Before that, I was in Eau Claire and in Madison for a couple years each. I went to graduate school in Eau Claire. My husband and I met in Fargo, North Dakota when I was going to school at Minnesota State Moorhead. And I'm originally from Missouri, so I have sometimes a little bit of a southern twang that will come out. You can expect from me to see these types of videos about once a week, maybe every other week, depending on the content that we're covering. So I would encourage you to poke around in Blackboard to link in and register for the Cengage Koopman text that you'll be using. You will have some assignments due this week, and I will include an announcement on Blackboard of everything that you need to do this week. So just poke around in there and let me know if you have questions or concerns. I have added a Cengage technical support link on Blackboard for you to use if you do have any issues with accessing, logging in, registering with the Koopman text. I have had a couple emails from students saying that they were being blocked by their pop-up blockers. I did meet with the textbook rep last week and she assured me that everything is safe, so you might need to enable the pop-up blockers if you have those installed on your computers in order to correctly see the content. But you should rest assured that the content is safe and secure. So, any questions? Let me know, and I look forward to learning more about you. Have a great first week of classes. Bye-bye.